Sharpen skill middle school students. This series is meant for school children to sharpen their intuitive skill, get a quick boost, and arouse their interest in math. It is aimed to sharpen their recall and application faculties and drive away any math phobia deep in their minds. Students from anywhere in the world can apply to join our fully free online sessions, available in English medium and Bengali medium only. Sharpen skill for middle school students. Take up this easy challenge and solve it in 30 seconds time. Let us see how sharp is your skill and how quick is your thinking. Now today's question is, if a polygon of n sides has 20 diagonals, find n and give a special name to the polygon. You have to find the number of sides of a polygon that has 20 diagonals. So if a polygon of n sides has 20 diagonals, find the number of sides of the polygon, find n, and give a special name to the polygon. Now look at any polygon. We have shown a polygon here. Now supposing you take the vertex A. Now how can you form the diagonal? A you cannot join to A. The same point to same point will not give you a diagonal. You cannot join A to B because AB is a side. AB is a side of the polygon. You can't join A to X. AX is a side. So you cannot join A to A, you can't join A to B, you can't join A to X. That means you can't join the vertex to itself. You can't join the vertex to any of the adjacent sides, either of the adjacent sides. So except these 3 points, except the vertex itself and the two adjacent vertices on either side, you can join to any of the remaining points to form a diagonal. So if there are n sides, if you start from any one side, these 3 points, these 3 vertices, you can't take. So the remaining vertices would be n minus 3. Total n, you omit these 3. We can't join A to A, you can't join A to B, and you can't join A to X. So except these 3 points, there will be n minus 3 remaining vertices, and you can join A to any of the n minus 3 remaining vertices to get a diagonal. So each of the n vertices can be joined to any of the n minus 3 remaining vertices. So A can be joined to n minus 3 vertices, B can be joined to n minus 3 vertices, C can be joined to n minus 3 vertices, and so on. So each of the n vertices can be joined to any of the n minus 3 vertices. So the total lines would be n into n minus 3. But joining, say, A to D and D to A is same thing. Joining A to G and G to A is same thing. They are not two different lines. A, D and DA are same thing. AG and GA are same thing. So they are not two different lines. So the actual number of lines would be half of this. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Because we have taken A to D and again we are taking D to A. We are taking B to D and again we are taking D to B. We are taking A to G and again G to A. So actually each line is counted twice. So the actual number of separate lines, distinct lines, would be this divided by 2, n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So the diagonals, the number of diagonals would be n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So in a n-sided polygon, or as we call it n-gun, number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 by 2. And here the number of diagonals is 20. Here the number of diagonals given is 20. So n into n minus 3 by 2 is 20. So n into n minus 3 will be 40. N square minus 3n minus 40 equal to 0. N minus 8 into n minus 5 equal to 0. Factorize. Factorize using breaking the middle term. Breaking the middle term, factorize. You get n equal to 8. We reject the negative value n equal to minus 5. So the number of sides is 8. That means the special name should be octagon. The special name should be octagon because the number of sides is 8. Right? We are getting n into n minus 3 whole by 2 equal to 20. So n into n minus 3 is 40. That is n square minus 3n minus 40 equal to 0. Factorize using breaking the middle term, you get n minus 8 and n plus 5. So n equal to minus 5 is rejected, we get n equal to 8. So the number of sides is 8, and 8-sided polygon, special name octagon. So that was a smart skill. Follow us to improve your skills so that you get over math phobia. You can quickly recognize when you see the question, how to do it fast, how to quickly recall the different formulae. So follow us, and always you can have free online sessions with us. So contact us if you want to have free online session. And that's absolutely free of cost for students and learners all over the world. So if you need, you can always contact us for any session, and you can also send us any question if you have any doubt. So we will come back with more useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.